Hello everyone. In my previous video I will show you that how to configure SSH in your Raspberry Pi. Now in that video I'm going to show you how to configure VNC server in your Raspberry Pi. VNC server is just remotely access your Raspberry Pi in any device, like you can access it in your laptop as well as your mobile phone, whatever you want. Okay, now let's get started. First of all, I find the IP address which is going to running in my Raspberry Pi. So I'll just check it from my router and active client table. That is the password of my Raspberry Pi. So first of all, I have to access in SSH, simply SSH at the Pi at my IP address. It wants a password, so the password is Raspberry. Now you can see that I can directly access the SSH. Now we have to configure, or we have to install the VNC package, VNC server package. So the command is sudo apt-get sudo apt-get install Tide VNC. I'm just using Tide VNC. Tide VNC server. It's take a little bit time, and after that I have to install another package which is remote desktop package. Okay, the same command. Then the command is x remote desktop protocol. Okay guys, after installing XRDP, after that you have to active the VNC server, or you have to enable the VNC option from your Raspberry Pi. So you have to type sudo raspi -config, and from there in the advanced option you have to select using enter, and here you have to enable VNC. Would you like to VNC server to be enabled? Yes, VNC server is enabled, and then OK, and simply finish. You have to set up the VNC server, that is VNC server :1, and actually my VNC server is already running. Okay, and while you are trying to install it in first time, then you have to configure a password. Okay, first of all the password should be not similar to your system password of your Raspberry Pi, and then you have to set a new password. Then another option will be pop up which is verify password. You have to verify your password again, and then after hitting you get another command which is, would you like to enter a view only password? Then you have to press no, because if you just press yes, it provides read only access to your system. So so press it no or in, and after that you are login to your VNC server. Now after configuring VNC server, you have to download the VNC server application. Here in that case I'm using Remina remote desktop client. You just get it in your application store, simply install it, and here I have to configure the VNC server. So first of all, set up a new connection. I'm just given a name. Raspberry Pi, and in protocol case I'm just set here in the VNC network computing, virtual network computing. Okay, and server means you have to give the IP address of your Raspberry Pi. In that case, in my case it's 192.168.0.2, and also you have to provide the port number. Okay, so make it sure the port number should be 5901, because 5901 indicate the VNC server, or it's provide your computer to remotely access your Raspberry Pi or another devices. Okay, the username, in my case my username is Pi, it's Pi. Here the password is your VNC server password, which is set up in your configuration. Okay, VNC configuration. And just simply connect. Now you can see it's the preview of Raspberry Pi is coming. There is a terminal of your Raspberry Pi. You can access your browser, okay, whatever you want. And guys, I also configure it in my Windows Mobile, and for this I need an application which is known as VNC Viewer, Tiny VNC. Okay, and if you are an Android user, then use VNC Viewer, and the configuration is same. Okay, so I have to add a network and simply type the name. In my case, I already tell you that it's my case, it's Pi. My server name is Pi. And then I have to give the address. In my case is 192.168.0.2, and the port number is 5001, and the password your VNC server password. So let's simply save, and the same preview like your desktop, the same preview which is coming in your desktop, and you can also remotely access it. In you can see all the menu icons. Okay, so that's all. So guys, thanks for watching. Please give thumbs up and share my video, and please subscribe, because your subscription inspire me for make some cool videos like that. Okay, thanks for watching guys.